Hi guys, so today we're going to learn about direct variation. So here are the notes. The answer key is also posted. I only have 5 minutes, I think, for each video or less. So if it stops at any point, I'll just do another video where I picked up. But this video is going to focus on direct variation. In Algebra 1, you studied many types of linear functions. One special type of linear function is called direct variation, whereas one variable increases, the other increases as well. A direct variation is a relationship between two variables, x and y, that can be written in the form of y equals kx, where k cannot equal 0. In this relationship, k is the constant of variation. For the equation y equals kx, y varies directly as x. So to solve these problems, the nice thing about them is that they're all going to tell you what they are, so varies directly. And you read it left to right like you normally do. So the cost of an item in euros, E, varies directly, which means y equals k, because you know you're going to have a constant of variation, to the cost of the item in dollars, D. So this is your formula that you're going to be using. So now we're going to use this information right here. So E equals 3.8. So I'm going to plug in for E. So 3.85 equals k, so I still don't know what my constant of variation is. And your D is 5. So to solve for k, divide each side by 5. So you do 3.85 divided by 5, which is 0.77. So your k is equal to 0.77. So rewrite the problem using variables. That's this, E equals k times D. Substitute the given fact into equation to determine k. So we did that up here. And our new equation is then E equals 0.77 times D, meaning that each dollar is 77 cents to the euro. And answer the question using K. So this is the actual question right here. So find D when E equals 10 euros. So I'm going to plug in that 10 for E. So 10 equals 0.77 D. And again, to solve for D, I just divide by 0.77. So 10 divided by 0.77 is equal to $12.90, around 99 cents. So when the euro is 10 euros equals $12.99, which makes sense because the euro is slightly stronger. Well, it was slightly stronger than the dollar. So this is direct variation because as the euro goes up, usually so does the dollar. So they're both going up together. That's why it's called direct variation. Same thing with perimeters and side lengths. As the side length goes up, the perimeter would go up, which is why it's direct variation. So same thing we're going to do here. You read left to right, just like you normally do. So P equals K times S, because the perimeter varies directly as a side length S. Now we plug in using the new equation. So we're going to plug in P for 18. So I should rewrite this. This is for this problem. And then we're going to plug in P for 18. 18 equals K times 1.5, because that is what you're plugging in for S, 1.5. Divide each side by 1.5 to solve for K. 18 divided by 1.5 is 12. So K is equal to 12, which would make sense. There are 12 sides in a dodecagon. So your equation is perimeter times 12 times S. And now we're going to solve the problem. So again, you're going to plug in 75 for P and solve for S. So 75 equals 12 times S. Divide each side by 12. And you get side length at 6.25. I'm going to stop here because my recording is going to end in 20 seconds. My next video is going to cover tables. Okay. So make sure you watch next video on tables, and then we're going to have 2 more videos on inverses. Bye, guys.